So, dear friends, today is almost the 5th year I have been working for this book. And today we are really happy to be able to take it out, to be released today. Unfortunately, Maharaj Pradut Maniko is absent. He is not well. He is supposed to do the release today. And incidentally, fortunately, may I be allowed to welcome Madam, sister of Maharaj Pradut. Incidentally, she is with us, we thank. And some of our honorable MLAs, honorable MDCs, and some ex-MDCs, MLAs, and learned journalists. Some I know, but most of them I don't know. I remember Mr. Subal Babu today. He is not with us. And Dainik Sambad's editor, some Bhomik, they are not with us today. But I remember, I am very much closely acquainted with them many years before. And today we are making new friends with you all. So today, here we have so many learned journalists. And because of your activities, we are today having good media. So all the media should be active in a positive way so that people are fed with correct news and information. Today, we are really happy. After so many years of labor, this book has come out. And this is basically my full autobiography. And whatsoever I knew, I remember, and I did are mentioned inside. There is no exaggeration of any issue, but I have tried so that whatsoever is written, these are all fact. And I will welcome all of you. If you have special reservation or some other idea, crossing some news or some articles in this book, you are welcome to write me or to speak to me so that I can spot it out and try to study it. And one more thing, I'm trying, and I have discussed with Maharaj Pradutji also. I want to bring, it is number 1, and I want to bring it out number 2. It means I will be having time and opportunity to have many articles from different well-wishers, and I will really be happy to entertain all the articles, especially in our ancient days activities. Many tribes in the hills, especially in the interior, we have so many untold stories of our legendary ages. So today I have seen our close friend from Zampui also, Mr. Zaidi Moya, who is one of my colleagues, to explore the English medium in Tripura. In 1973, we have opened English medium school at Zion Hill, following almost 23 other schools. One of them is Darchoy, is still surviving in Komlasara, in Tuidu, in Moalpara and other places. Some have been taken by missionaries, some have been taken by the government. Some still remain with the NGOs. So I wish our next generation, those who are working today in different activities, and I wish all of you to challenge and have your bright future by achieving something that you are, and you can also have your life successful and bring some documents also, because we live for each other and we fight for our right. This is the world we're living in. So I wish I will also invite Kumariji, if we can have some idea from her. I believe she is quite renowned in different places for her extraordinary contribution in different fields, especially in Meghalaya. So today, I'm happy, I'm privileged to have you, and I will request if you have some points, and you are welcome to share.
It was a very, very unique relationship, and I remember my father telling me, meet him, Mr. Rankol, he's doing a lot for our state, and I wish him all the best. And after that, yes, we have seen a lot of other parties emerging, there have been parties coming up trying to work for the betterment of our people. And, there have been problems, we all know, due to the partition, and after that, the creation of Bangladesh. A lot of influx has happened. And we needed somebody to speak for the people, because after we became a minority, things were not all that great. Things are much better today. But he has seen that era and the difficulties we all faced. I also, as a child, have witnessed, not only in Tripura, entire Northeast went through a very turbulent time. Things have changed now for the better. Things are more stable. And this book, like he said, there'll be another part to it. This is just the first phase. I'm happy he wants to contribute more. So this will show us his life's journey, the various incidents that took place. So basically, this is like a history book too. It is an autobiography, but it's a historical document. We always learn from the past. We have to remember that. History teaches us to be better people because we learn from the past. And I think this momentous book will definitely help our young generation and everyone who's around here to go through the past, learn from whatever mistakes we may have made or whatever things we've achieved, and the various problems he had to face too in this life's journey. Life is not a bed of roses. And like you've mentioned here, I just went through it. He's dedicated it to his father, to my father, who instilled in me the art of living a purposeful life and the strength to remain resilient in the face of life's storms. I think what you've mentioned here is a very good thing. And life is full of storms, but we have to persevere. We have to make it purposeful. If we don't have a purpose in life, we don't have an objective in life, then there's no point living. It's the same thing, even incidentally, late Maharaja taught me also. So till date, I try to work for Tripura's heritage or the entire Northeast in whatever way I can. And I will be glad to contribute also in my own way. So if any of you need anything from me or from Sir Rankol, I'm sure we'll always be there to help you and to, probably bring out more books of this sort. I wish him all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I want to add one more point of my family, because my wife is all the time with me, in underground life also, overground also, in the days of perils also, in the day of joy also. We are blessed by a son and a daughter. Son is Borpunglal. He will be somewhere here. And his his wife no only his you know him rap star rap, you call it rap, no?
Yeah.
Rap star popular. His wife is teaching in Don Bosco College.
Holy Cross College.
Holy Cross College, yeah. Holy Cross College. And she is going to be honor PhD in sociology. And daughter Judy, both lawyer. So this is the size of the family. So they are so useful, inspiring me also. In the day of my sickness, I was in hospital for more than 3 months, and almost whole year I'm almost bedridden, but still with their help and encouragement, and mostly this Sentienla, who is teaching in Holy Cross College, is another instrument to go through this book also. And wheresoever she finds something has to be altered, she points out. And we went to Guwahati also to meet the publisher so that I can have the book at the earliest possible with 100% satisfaction. So we are blessed with one grandson. His name is Christopher. So this is the size of our family. And besides these are all my young colleagues who are still fighting to achieve something for our future survival. So my heart goes to all of you, men, women, young boys, girls, and those who are still involved in some party, especially our youth in Tiprasa, of which I sit as a president. So I wish that we will be fighting on with stable heart and mind so that we can achieve something. This will be another never-ending two. So this is never-ending one. Never-ending two will be very, very interesting to see our next generation, those who are in the democratic system, to achieve something. For we might have achieved with some means, but today they are to achieve meaningful. So thank you so much once again. If anything on this thing, I will be happy to talk to you. And I have one honorable member legislator and MDC also, some other people from public life, and from Zedi Moya. He is another man who will with all our struggle also, especially in English medium. He was one of the first person to come and teach in Zion here also. So today, in sound health, we have been able to meet. And this younger journalist, you are learning more and more so that you can bring some meaningful that may knit our society, that we can survive together and understand each other. Thank you again, and we'll continue. Please share it now.
Sir, how many copies have been published in the history?
At present, we have 5,000 only.
And where will we be able to get the books?
It is available now, about 1,000 available, but we have brought 200 now.
No, I am asking where the readers can get the book.
That though, I think we will tell you that one.
The book that was released today, it's a compilation of what my dad went through as he was growing up. In this book, you will see about his childhood. You will get to know about his struggles, his endeavors, his joy, his sorrow. Everything is there in the book. So every page, as you read, it will speak to you. So I want to encourage all of you to have a copy and go through it, and I believe that it will inspire you.
Everyone, I'm very happy to be here today to release this book by Shri Bijay Kumar Rankhor. It's his autobiography, and the name of the book is A Never Ending Journey. This is the first part. There will be another part to it. I'm really honored and happy that we have amongst us a person who has fought for Tripura, for preserving the identity of our people, to fight for the land rights of our people, right from the early days. And then, of course, he became a part of the electoral system once he joined politics. And he is now associated with Tiprasa as well as the president. So this book is going to be very interesting for all of us because it will talk about his life, what he did, and it will also inspire us to know about the problems we had in Tripura in the past. History teaches us to learn from our mistakes. And you know, today we are better off because of people like Shri Rankhor and some other freedom fighters. I would call them freedom fighters because they gave up the pleasures of their life. When they were young, they gave up all that luxurious life, a comfortable life, to be in the forest, to fight for our people's rights. And so I'm sure all of us are going to benefit greatly from this book. And I would advise you to have a look at this, especially youngsters today. We have a lot to learn from his life. And saying this, I wish Shri Rankhor ji all the very best. And I hope many more copies of this will be sold. I hear 5,000 copies have been brought out. And if anybody requires more, I'm sure he'll be able to tell you where to get them. So kindly purchase these and have a glimpse of the life that we had when Bijay Kumar Rankhor ji was young. Thank you very much. हमारा मैसेज ये है कि जब तक किसी का लाइफ में कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता है, हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं. तो श्री विजय कुमार रांखोल जी का भी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव था लाइफ में कि वो हमारे लोगों को सर्व करे, हमारे लोग के लिए जो मुश्किलें थी उस जमाने में, उस समय में इन्फ्लक्स और रेफ्यूजी प्रॉब्लम और बहुत सारे ऐसे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते थे. तो उन्होंने जो भी कुछ किया उस समय उनके लिए जो सही था उन्होंने वो किया. तो अभी के ज़माने में एजुकेशन एंड इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस, ट्राइंग टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन योर ओन, ये सब भी तरीका है फॉर अस टू बी ऑन आवर फीट एंड टू हेल्प डेवलप त्रिपुरा. So he also tried to develop Tripura by preserving our culture and our people and our land. So the main thing is, the motto is कि हमारे लाइफ में एक ऑब्जेक्टिव होना चाहिए, तभी जाके हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. And this book will also teach us that very same fact. Thank you.
Ingkamo laibuma chini borom ganang bike Rankhor sarni laibumani omo bosui kalanka chini next generation nongni bagai ha tai dofana hamja kakai chengbuti ke choba khlainani nang omo bo kokbai sayawoi bosui kalang thangka mo thinango chini kaisa lama ungui wana chini chobani yoknani omo kaisa lama ungui tongane aboni bagi no tini sallo ang blekhe no tongthogo tamni bagi hingkai o life ma puri oi chini tabungni je generation ro next to chini hado phan bagi soba khlainani bagi boro bleke khatungnai ebong borok lama naitugui mannai kaham lama naitugui mannai ang khaklayo omotui boitebo chini sikrenok sina nungton bini kaisa silai bai sobani ok bo laibuma boro tongo democratic movement ro boro bini o boyo tongo sutarang chini both side no chini obhigota ni kok bini o boyo sijaka ebong mokhop kaham ebong or boyni je mungri mani omobo bleke kaham kai rikai ni ang khaklayo next generation ni bagai mo boy blai se kahamka ebang ang jotono no koinai o boy no paye jotono no porina ni bagai mo nogo khati to ni jangnai mo kaisa chini tipra hasteni kaisa laibuma ni prothoma ung tongane ebang o prothoma no jeng khatui manna ringnai jeng mono সংরক্ষণ makhani ta hambai abo boy paina ingya kai jeng chini borom ganang dikerang kolnaro no mathanai ega ang tini kang ni peka next ang tai kisa paina nan woi sa tongko ega kai ta mono preserve paina buino ba kisa ang rinai mono give rinai ani northeast ne kabang ba bondu rok tongo borono ba mono rinai khaklayo je boy kuspolo kala ga haima tongo tini je ba kai boy usubai pelika hoyto kulok se manglak abatot sar saka 5000 boy abatot tabuk khaljang nai nita ইংরাজি bai sijaka hoyto kebo jara buje ekebor kokborok ba ko khainai mano omtei ke khaiye sonina ka bangla bibo translate khainai mananta ang lukurongno kasanai omo kaisa tipra hastani laibuma omo silai bai sobani democratic movement ni sobani kaisa mo laibuma othoma omono jeng porinani nango norok jotono poridi jara university porinai jara college porinai tabu school poritongnai ba jara tabuk chini siklarok tabuk jara jeng political bai kerengjak borok jotono no oboino porin nangoi nai ang khaklayo borok jotono porinai ebong buskango chini ha dofani chobano khlainani bagai oron hoite boro lama naitugui mannai ang khaklayo